Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel, Aarti Zubin. I hope you all are doing great. Even I am doing good, as I have already posted in my community that I won't be able to post anything as I was out of station. So I'm back and I had a great trip with my friends and my baby. So after yesterday only I reached to my place, and today I painted using gouache color a girl wearing a fairy dress, and on that dress you will see I have painted some roses and all. I have drawn some roses using gouache color, and this reference I have taken from Pinterest, and I hope you will love this painting. So please comment on my comment section that how did you find my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Your support is very much important to me because you are my strength, you're my support, and without your support I won't be able to grow. Thank you, friends. Thank you for supporting me so far. Show your love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And please watch till the end, and do tell me in my comment section how is it. Thank you so much. Thank you.